In this video I'm going to show you how you can count the number of nodes inside of a linked list. It's quite a simple uh, program compared to the rest of our programs that we wrote. Okay, so just a piece of code. Alright, so count len, I'm going to call it count len, and I'm going to make it an integer type. Okay, int count len. Now this is going to count the number of nodes that exist inside of our linked list. So we're going to have a variable called len, and we're going to default it to 0 for fine. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to have a node, and temporary node we're going to make it equal to head. Then we're going to have a while loop, and we're going to say while t is t is not equal to null. Okay, when that's not equal to null, we're going to say len plus plus, and we're going to say t is equal to t dot next. At the end we're going to return the len. Now the basic mechanism of this is the following. Len is going to default to 0. We're going to have a pointer at head, and we're going to check if that pointer is equal to null. Basically, if it's null, it means that the linked list is empty. Okay, so then this while loop is not going to run, and it's going to just return 0. However, if the linked list is not empty, then it's going to just increment this len plus plus, and it's going to increment t to the next. Okay, and if then t ends up being null, it's going to come out of the loop and it's going to return len. However, if t isn't null, then it's going to keep looping through this, and it's going to keep counting each node inside of the list until we have len equal to, until we find a null. So that's simple. It's a simple piece of code, really easy to understand. That's it.